You ready? That's the confidence I like to hear. That's how you know you're gonna have a good trip. That's very bad. Holy wow. Look at, big trees. Ooh, that was sand. Well, that's not ugly. 200 feet later, it's pine trees and cinder roads. Out of the desert into the forest. Oh, deer with horns. Whoa, this looks like a luge. Oh, this could be the luge. Everything's the luge, yay. Okay, this holds snow late. This is still on the road even, but we're going down, so it should theoretically get better, right? It's soft, like melting. No way. That's why you're out here. Touch the mountains. The tire's catching the bar, because the bar's supposed to be back here. Oh, yeah. And like, this was always a chunky section, but now it's just whoop, 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 whoop. Yep. Very, very deep. Insulated sleeping pad, it's yellow. I ran it over with my 4Runner and a motorcycle. How is nobody camping here? So weird. I don't know what to say. It's just a gorgeous looking mountain and I like looking at it. That looks like a big bear track. Oh, there it is. Beauty. Gorgeous. The mountain is big. The big mountain. Cigars are a gross, disgusting habit. Don't smoke.